Serbia?
Yeah.
Is it near Russia? Probably not, but I could gander a guess.
I would think like around Russia or something.
That would be in Asia, right? Isn't it like in Asia?
It's south, no, it's eastern,
In Europe, Southern Europe.
south of Europe.
No, I'm way off. Europe.
Europe,
yeah.
yes.
It's like Greece and Turkey.
Used to be part of Yugoslavia.
Serbia?
Yes.
In Europe.
Okay, do you know where in Europe?
And Mediterranean Sea. Well,
Eastern, yeah, okay. And do you know like somebody famous from Serbia? Like famous singer, Djokovic? Yeah, thank you. And what about you?
That's not fair. She heard everything right now.
Yeah, you heard. It's not. What's your name? Tell me your name.
Zoya.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Pakistan? And you?
Switzerland.
Switzerland? Oh, of course you know. That's why. Okay, thank you. What's your name?
Nigar.
How?
Nigar.
And yours?
Neki?
Where are you from? Turkey?
Azerbaijan.
Oh, really? Okay, do you know where is Serbia?
Yeah, of course.
Where?
Europe.
So do you know where Serbia is?
Yes, I do.
Where is it?
It is over towards Russia, down ex-Soviet Union, but a bit south.
Of course, yeah, you know that.
One question for you, is it fine?
Yeah, it's okay,
Do you know where is Serbia?
Yeah, I know. It's
Yeah?
a small part in Europe, I think.
Correct. In which part of Europe?
It's south part.
Very good. Been there?
Yeah, I visited actually. I was in Belgrade.
Yeah, Belgrade is the capital.
Capital town. Yes.
Wow.
It's really amazing and beautiful, by the
Yeah.
way.
Do you know someone famous from Serbia?
It was a few days ago. I think all newspaper there was write about her, Jelena Karlova.
Karleuša. Wow, idemo. People know about Karleuša. What you heard about that?
It's some story about what's going on between husband and I don't know relationship.
Oh, yeah. Her husband is a football player, actually,
Yes,
Duško
yes.
Tošić.
Duško, yes.
Yeah, you know?
I know
But-
him. He's now he play in China, I think, football.
Yes, correct, in Guangzhou. They were actually in Dubai for a couple of days.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they were in
Because
Jumeirah.
because I
Like
saw it
few
all-
days back.